So today I will show you where I grew up and what our farm is looking like. Here you can see our farm's name. It's the Rosberghof, Horse Hill Farm in English. I'm living here in this house with my parents and my grandparents. We have a relatively small farm here. We are managing 25 hectares. You can see winter barley here and winter wheat on the other field. But our main income is not farming itself, it's horse keeping. The horses are still on their winter paddocks, but vegetation is going really fast right now. It's early April, and in a few weeks they will come to the grassland so they can feed on the fresh grass in springtime.